Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome back to 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life Series 11, and today is day number 6. Woohoo! Almost to 1 week down, everyone. Yeah, love this project. Love being able to get so many layouts done in a month. Anywho, today's sketch is one by Jackie Malzahn. And it is a one photo sketch. It looks like it has some mixed media stuff going in the background. I'm not really going to do the mixed media stuff. It's got kind of, it looks like 2 background papers and maybe some torn paper. It's got a round photo. Again, not going to do a round photo. I have my photo here. I have one photo. I have a 6x8 sheet of paper, and then I have 2 12x12 sheets of paper. Then I have pulled in some washi tape. I have pulled in these gray and white faceted enamel dots or acrylic pieces. I've pulled in quite a few little chipboard pieces from the embellishment bins that I have, and paper ones as well. So that's everything there, and a pocket page card. I pulled in some of these Pink Fresh stickers, the paper stickers, the puffy stickers. There's some labels, one label, cardstock, chipboard, stickers, and chipboard flare. And then I have a few stickers left on this page, and then I showed you my washi tapes. So this is where I'm starting for layout number 6. I will show you a sketch, and as a reminder, I do have a playlist on my own channel of all the layouts that I am creating, and it is 30DS CBL 11, whereas if you want to see what everybody is creating, if you put in the hashtag 30DS CBL 11, you will come to the playlist for what everybody has created so far. Anyway, friends, let me show you a close-up of the sketch, and I will get started on this layout. Okay, friends, I am done with layout number 6. I'll show you what I did not use. Those. Of all the stuff that I pulled out, those are the only 2 things that I did not use. I used this font to create my title. I used both rolls of washi tape that I pulled in. I used all 3 colors of these faceted, I think they're acrylic. I used these washi strips. I used 1 sticker from here, maybe 2 stickers from here. I don't remember now. I used a sticker from here. I used the last sticker on this sheet. Woohoo! Always feels good to finish off a package. I used some stickers from here and a couple of the chipboard flare from here. I went ahead and pulled these in for label stickers. I used 1 from each page. I used this larger frame that I had, and then I had a portion of a sticker here and a full sticker here that I used. So on this page I only have those 3 left. And here are my paper cutoffs. This is the grid paper. I didn't want to use the whole thing because I wanted to reserve that piece. And then for my 2 cutoff pieces, I'm not going to save this one. This one is with the lemons, and they're too little, and I'm just not going to use it. But I will save the one with the stars on it. I did use some of the floral embellishments from here, and I think that's it from this tray. And here is the layout I created. I'm happy with it. It doesn't look exactly like the sketch, and that's okay. You know, sketches are inspiration, and so anytime you can use a sketch to inspire you to create something, that's all the better, right? It doesn't necessarily have to look exactly like the sketch. For me, I'm someone who's not going to cut my photo into a round shape or a hexagon shape or any kind of funny shape. I'm not gonna. I might find round embellishments to use. Like here, I used round flare, a round sticker behind here. So I found ways to incorporate circles, dots on here, dots in the background, but I'm not going to use dots as an overall theme with my photo. And you can see here, I used a little floral piece in each of these clusters. I used the chipboard pieces that I pulled in here, here, and here. I used some puffy stickers here and here. I used a chipboard piece down here. That was the word phrase. That was the word phrase. That was one of the stickers from one of the sticker sheets, and that's chipboard there. I just, where the designer had her logo up in the corner, I thought that looks really cool. So I threw another embellishment cluster in. So I technically have 4 embellishment clusters. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm okay with that. These are the washi strips that I put along the sides here. I used that purple piece in its entirety. And I know I don't have a piece of this frame because I cut it in half and I used a section up here and a section down here. I was going to put something there and then I just didn't get around to it. So yeah, I don't have that bit of frame up here and I'm okay with it. It works. I could have chosen to really layer up this side, but I opted not to. Anywho guys, this is it. I will have close-ups of this photo or this layout at the end of the video. So if you're interested in seeing those, stick around for that. If you like what you see today, I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And yeah, like I said before the layout was completed, if you are interested in seeing layouts that are made with stash, not necessarily new stuff, but sometimes a little bit older stuff as well, make sure stay tuned to my channel, subscribe to it, hit that notification bell, and you'll see other videos where I create something, create a layout using the stash that I have on hand, rather than going out and buying all the new, latest, and the greatest. Not that I don't do some of that, but I primarily use my older stash. Anywho guys, I appreciate you being here and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day everyone. Bye-bye.